Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie and this is the March's Lip Monthly bag. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and occasional giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, there is a giveaway sometime this week. You do need to be a subscriber and I'll have more details on that very soon. So make sure that you are subscribed. If you are new to Lip Monthly, it's $12.95 a month, and they usually ship out 4 to 5 full-size lip products for that. So let's dive into this bag. The first item is by Bang Beauty. It is a lip crayon. Looks like this. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's almost like a rose color. So this one retails for $18 and it is the long-wearing lip cream, delivers high pigment, rich color that lasts. It locks in hydration, leaving your lips soft long after wear. Using one swipe, the Bang Beauty lip cream delivers full coverage while feeling extremely lightweight to the touch. It's lightweight, non-sticky, high pigment, long-lasting, and of course cruelty-free, which I love. I think this is a really pretty color. Here we have the Peel Holographic Lip Gloss. Actually, I already have a holographic lip gloss that I have on right now, a different one from this. And this one is the Trendsetter Holographic Lip Gloss, retails for $21. It is holographic lip gloss, works well alone or on top of your favorite lippy, which is what I did, and giving it a multi-dimensional argan oil infused shine. I really like holographic lip glosses because I already have one. I don't feel I need it for two, so I'm going to be putting this in that upcoming giveaway. Next we have from TaylorMade and Perse. It is this lip gloss, retails for $10.99. It's those glass tints with sparkling pigments that make lips all out gorgeous. Lightly tingling collagen stimulates, helps plump up those lips, which we don't love, we do love, you know, what girl wouldn't love that is what I was trying to say. And soften and help diminish lip lines, which I know I have a lot of, so any help I can get in that is great. Delicious sweet vanilla makes these lip glosses almost addictive. So let's just give a little swatch here. Here's what it looks like on the doe foot. Kind of a little bit of an orange tint to it. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna feel about that because warm colors and I usually don't get along. Ooh, this is really, it's almost like a peach. And I just wanna try some. So, here it is on here. I also topped it on top of that other rose color before, so you can kind of look what it looks like on its own, or topped on top of that. It just gives it a little bit more shimmer. I like that. Lastly, we have from Dirty Little Secret. I haven't tried anything from this brand, have you? It is their Bashful Cream lipstick. It looks like this. It is I know that it is a gluten and cruelty-free brand. Here's what this looks like. I really like the packaging. How cute are those polka dots? Let's open it up here. Ooh, I don't know if it's going to be too orange or not. Here's what it looks like. No, I think it'll be really pretty. And here's what it looks like on the back of the hand. I think this gloss might even look good on the top of this. Let's try that out really quick. That's really pretty. Okay, so here's what that gloss looks like on top of it. I really like this. So this retails for $14. It is Snow White's favorite dwarf and lippy. A full coverage cream lipstick that creates a soft, sexy pout. Is extremely lightweight but also wearable and super comfortable. It glides on like butter, leaving lips moisturized for hours with no cracking or flaking, which we love. So the retail value, if you add everything up, is $64. Not bad, thinking you only spend like $12.95 for this. 3 products for me, 1 for you for the giveaway. Which one were your favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It really does mean a lot to me when you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you very soon. Bye!